BJP Manipur Pradesh blows election 2017 bugle. Over 40,000 people gathered to listen to BJP leaders. BJP President Amit Shah reiterates centre's stand to protect Manipur's territory. Gaikhangam compares agreement between Centre and NSC and IM with time bomb. RIM celebrates 45th Foundation Day. Governor tells doctors that selfish motive should not mar the sanctity of the profession. And at least 2 students are injured as police try to disperse student protest rally demanding ILPS in Manipur on Tidim Road. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Premi Thangchum with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The Bharatiya Janata Party has blown the election bugle in the state with the arrival of Bharatiya Janata Party National President Amit Shah. The BJP leader is on a 2-day visit to Manipur. Boys and girls in traditional attire welcomed the BJP National President when he landed at the Imphal International Airport today around 11:30. Amit Shah is accompanied by BJP National General Secretary Ram Madhav, Prabhari BJP Manipur Pradesh Prahlad Patel, BJP Election in Charge Manipur 2017 Union Human Resource Development Minister Prakash Javadekar and Northeast Democratic Alliance Convener and Assam Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. Refusing to answer media queries, Amit Shah said he will speak to media after the BJP state level PUT conference.
हो गया भैया हो गया चलिए बाय
Bharatiya Janata Party President Amit Shah today came down heavily on Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh at the state level BUT conference held at Hapta Kangjaibung. Amit Shah appealed to the people of the state to vote BJP so that it can win the assembly election with majority. Attacking the Ibobi Singh-led Congress government, Amit Shah asked the government where it has used Rs 5,000 crore central fund allocated for development work for which it is unable to produce utilization certificate. The meeting, which was attended by around 40,000 people, roared into cheers and clapping when Amit Shah reiterated the centre's stand not to lose an inch of land of Manipur's territory. Amit Shah said centre approved establishment of Sports University in Manipur as it is known as the sports powerhouse. He accused the Ibobi-led government of working half-heartedly in the Sports University project. The BJP leader also attacked the government's laid-back attitude for sports persons from Manipur winning less medals in the recently concluded Rio Olympics. He said centre allocated Rs 800 crore to Manipur for creating jobs, but still the youths of the state are yet to get government jobs. He mocked the state government, saying, "How can the state develop when the people in power are indulged in selling the subsidized rice under National Food Security Act?" Amit Shah said the 4-lane road project from Manipur to Myanmar, Singapore will be completed by 2019. Amit Shah also spoke on the cancellation of DPC of constables candidates and requested the state government to stop looting the poor people. Speaking at the meeting, Assam Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma said the state government sees the public as items sold in market. He said majority of state police personnel have been recruited after giving hefty amount.
अगर मुख्यमंत्री सुनते हैं तो कान खोलकर सुन ले। मणिपुर की जनता 5,000 करोड़ रुपया के वर्क्स कंप्लीशन सर्टिफिकेट नहीं दिए उसका हिसाब मांगती है। ये 5,000 करोड़ रुपया कहां गया? मुख्यमंत्री जी को 15 साल हो गए भैया, बहुत पैसा इकट्ठा हो गया है। अब तो जरा शर्म करो, गरीबों को कब तक लूटते रहोगे? डेवलपमेंट के मामले पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सामना नहीं कर सकते, नॉर्थ ईस्ट के विकास के मामले पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सामना नहीं कर सकते। एक अपप्रचार चला है कि राज्यों की सीमाएं बदली जाएंगी। मैं मणिपुर की जनता को आश्वस्त करने आया हूं, मणिपुर की सीमा में 1 इंच इधर उधर नहीं होने वाला है, कोई चिंता न करें।
BJP Hengang Mandal has thanked its members for attending the state-level Bud conference at Hapta, Kangtipung. The framework agreement signed between NSC and IM and Government of India is like a time bomb. There is a hidden agenda which is not in the interest of Manipur. That is why the central government is not making the framework agreement public. Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam made the statement at the one-day conference on empowerment of Panchayati Raj institutes. Attacking the BJP late NDA government, Gaikhangam accused the centre of trying to remove power from the Panchayati Raj institutes. He cautioned the public against a deceiving party like BJP. He also alleged that the BJP party does not believe in governing a state in a peaceful atmosphere and bring development. Speaking on the visit of BJP National President Amit Shah along with other national leaders, Gaikhangam said he fears that these leaders will create tension in the state. Attending the function, Rajiv Gandhi Panchayati Raj Sangathan AICC New Delhi chairperson Meenakshi Natarajan said UPA government allocated ₹7,000 crore fund to Panchayati Raj Ministry, which is now reduced to ₹94 crore during present NDA government.
Hujiksu another time bomb ma phummi kamba framework agreement. Framework agreement to kari agreement no phongdo yade. Phongdok pa yada document aduni khoi kijeri se. Manipur interest kai graba agenda de lere framework agreement da. Manamadro khoi phongdok ki bane.
He wanted to give constitutional status to panchayats. A separate Panchayati Raj ministry was formed. Manishankar Ayerji used to lead that ministry. All the funds of this ministry has been cut down. In the UPA government, the Panchayati Raj ministry had an annual budget of 7,000 crore rupees, which has now been cut down to mere 94 crore rupees. The BJP ruled government in the center is completely dominated by market forces, by corporate forces, and they are completely against the process of devolution of power, of transfer of power to the village panchayats.
Speaking on the quitting of veteran politician Y. Irabod from the Congress, Gaikhangam said there is no effect in the strength of the party. Gaikhangam said it was Irabod's own decision to quit the party. He mocked that BJP office will burn over allotment of tickets as there are many BJP ticket aspirants in a single constituency.
Lokamat kai ani kun bajade haidana ko kai si tara muka kullin se. Si kai na mukon si koi tabang amdre ex candidate mayam adu sangre ada sangre hairaga khara mayam se mit thakhallaga praja sing se masi mislead toba nam thak toba ngam gadara hadana hosik tawri lang hal lakanda taw khallak panga se ngam se phage taw khallo praja sing ho ha mayam se kot pusalaka koi phau kot thale hai mathakta ko mado sakri takna ban rice ben pu kan Seeing maroon polem there. Kohama Tangare, Quiroi, ticket P. Matamilla Pukanda, office bay tab a soitre, Nikrambo Taroi, ticket Panguda Kangudana. Madame Kendra putting the aspirants, Manga Tara Mangata, Lord looks hell. Mado BJP Tado happens a bladder. Ticket pet people no Alagako. How would it
The 45th Foundation Day of RIMS was celebrated today. The celebration was held at the Jubilee Hall with Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla as the chief guest. Health Minister D. Korungthang, RIMS Director Dr. C.H. Arun Kumar, doctors and students of the institute attended the event. 36 students were conferred with Meritorious Award and the annual magazine Remedy was also released. RIMS has so far produced 3,117 doctors since its establishment in 1972. 2022. As of March this year, there are 440 undergraduate medical students on roll. The Union Health Ministry has approved setting up of a trauma and a burnt unit at RIMS. The ministry has also approved enhancing infrastructure to accommodate increase of MBBS admissions from 100 to 154 per year to accommodate 27% OBC quota. Speaking on the occasion as chief guest, Governor Najma Heptulla said selfish motives should not mar the sanctity of the profession. She said RIMS, being #1 government hospital in Manipur, should ensure that no patient is referred to other hospitals. Acknowledging the challenges faced in the hilly areas, the governor said she is exploring ways to overcome the shortcomings through modern technology and means of communication.
As we are all aware, RIMS has been rendering humanitarian service to the people of northeastern region and also striving towards academic excellence and research activities. I would like to appeal to all the medical professionals that they should always remember that their duty is humane service to mankind and they should serve the sick with all the care and ability they could muster. I know you do the same. Not expect profit while entering the room of a sick. Selfish motives should not mar the sanctity of this noble profession.
At least 2 students sustained injury when the police tried to disperse a student's rally demanding ILPS in the state today. The JC ILPS students wing took out a rally demanding introduction of ILPS bill to protect the indigenous people on Tidim Road. The protest rally, which began from Imphal College, was marching towards Kaishampad when police personnel stopped them at Kwakaithal. Scuffles ensued between the students and the police as the students insisted on walking ahead. Police threw smoke bombs to disperse the students. The students retaliated the police action by dismantling the BJP flag poles and other hoardings near Kwakaithal traffic point. They also attacked the police personnel with catapults, forcing the police to use tear gas shells. When police attempted to pick up a student protester, women of the area prevented the police from arresting him. 2 students were injured in the incident. Women of the area raised objection against the police action and there were verbal exchanges between the women and the police. The students blocked the road at Kwakaithal, Thongnaujam Laikai and burned tires. Once again, police fired tear gas shells and students retaliated by pelting stones at the police. Organizing Secretary of Wangkai Kendra Election Committee of Okram Henry, Chingambam Premananda accused MLA Y Irabot of trying to cover up his incompetency in taking up development works in the constituency by stating that there are 2 MLAs in the constituency. Speaking to media at the residence of Okram Henry at Mantripukri, Premananda said even though Irabot has been the MLA of the constituency for 6 terms, there is no development. He said Irabot is trying to gain political fervor when he is losing support in the constituency. He also accused the MLA of misappropriating local area development fund, SPF fund and PDS items. Premananda asked the Thangmaiban MLA if there is any proof of dissolving Wangkai Assembly Constituency Block Congress. He said about 95% of the Congress workers in the constituency are still in the Block Congress. Ngasepam Romeo, an active worker of Okram Henry, said it would be wrong to portray Henry as an accused before he is proved guilty.
Sitting MLA si senior leader amoina ayu ahan oirakan sida ticket phangogdaba taragadi aigi ijat sokani ko na khallaga maki praja singa mananga ma BJP da chongmani kendra si chahi 35 semaktraba matungda MLA ani sui haijalaga mana tawgiba mayamdu machanupa thokba Henry da pisalaga tawgibani khotkibani haiba prajaru thambiganu mak thawak sungtau toroktraba MLA amani praja mayamna yadraba mi amani karamba praja khujo khara manaraga BJP ta changaga akhoi gi Congress gi oiba akhoi gi lengdaba active worker hanagi worker simgu namthak tawbiba sri okram henry bo khoi hojik election gi propaganda mayam amna namthak tawraga vote inthu banga moi.
Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Lengsin birau Thangmaiban DM College Road Talaiba Eastern Suzuki da Fangbiragani Suzuki ki gari macha sing makhal suna Mafam sida Suzuki da train tarba mechanic singna ningthina service piriba servicing center ki khudong chaba amasung spare parts sing MRP rate ta fangbigani loinana irai laina loan loba yabagi khudong chaba su pizari ngasi maglengsin birau Eastern Suzuki Thangmaiban DM College Road Imphal Manipur.
Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. The first anniversary of Chandel Autonomous District Council was celebrated today at Chandel ADC Office, North Camp, North AOC. Chairperson of ADC Chandel, Lukoisei Joe, ADC Chandel spokesperson C. Chantoy, IMOL ADC Chandel Secretary L. Darin So IMOL, members and staff of the council took part in the celebration. Thanksgiving and prayer service was also performed at the event. Speaking at the event, Lukoisei Joe said Chandel district could not have a full-fledged council for a long time, but a full-fledged council was formed on September 14 last year after the ADC election. He appealed to all concerned to help the council function successfully for the welfare of the people of the district.
Ekoi district sida ekoi Congress member Naga Congress member kharasi boycott to dire Congress member oibagi dama third state finance sida population basis the fund allocation to propaganda madugi population do urban population ni hill population ni aiba nei nabada madugi population do karop to raga ekoi si yamna third state finance commission award sida madu population karop to raga the less sanction thoba ekoi council gi si atop badi sona lomjing biduna members sing su lingjin manana chamin nare.
Hindi Divas was celebrated at Rashtriya Bhasha Mahavidyalaya, Wankai. Principal of Training College Dr. Maishnam Achau Singh and several Hindi teachers took part in the celebration. Professor Hazari Mayum Subhadini Devi, head of Hindi Department, Manipur University, spoke about the significance of Hindi Divas and learning the language. The 18th Foundation Day of International Peace and Social Advancement, IPSA, was celebrated today at Sanapat, Andhra, and a 3-day residential youth leadership camp was also held in connection with the celebration. A free medical camp was also held as a part of the observance. Speaking at the event, IPSA General Secretary K.H. Athoba said the residential camp is organized to raise awareness about social systems, political system and economics among the youths who would lead the society.
Haugalagli Kogi, Naharo Sing, Sidasta, Miamgi, Ruchingama, Verenabo Holang Honabada, Makoida Changadova, Machak Sing, Maruena, Kogi, Nylon, Lengak Lon, Amadi Sendilon, the Yumpamoba, Adum Loba, Knowledge Sing Adu, Makoida, Quena Pira Kanda, Amadi Puna Leminara Kanda, Furumasen Leminaraga, Samin Taminadana, Numin Humisi, Leminadana, Awanungai Miama, share to Minarakanda, Punba, Kanglipaki idea said, she hen Namayaksina, Kaminarakanda, Heng Waitung, Damatik Chabamim, Kanda, Tungi, Labaka Sem, Makoin, Lepkani Haba, Hajabasi Tamakanda, Residential Kemsi, Quenesinjavan.
Mitai Irol Iyek Loinastilol Apun Balub, Milal today felicitated the successful candidates of Mitai Mayek TET Supplementary Entrance Test conducted by Council of Higher Secondary School Manipur at Manipur Press Club. Speaking to media persons, Milal President Moirang Them Naukamba said, conducting TET to induct Mitai Mayek teachers is good move and appeal to government to recruit successful candidates as teachers. Milal presented gifts to those who scored high marks in the test.
Lengak Mupuna local pa, Akandaba Torang Akoi Milana, Lepa Miamda, Malayamda, Nungai Zabagalorana, Akoigi, Mayase, Malayam Saktapa Namzaragani, Langam put Tamjini di class 1 digina 2 Paba, Mitimian MIN Ki Lone Tamba Horobanina, Garigumada, that Amadi Beat Pastor Wasu, Mitimeki, eligibility test, Mashi passed of the music, the Hapa Targadi, Ladamasi, Mayusing the quality have a deep Mating Leba, Aduma Mayrusin Putopa, Namdanobagi, Aduma Kuntang, Amani and Luxagani.
A workshop on career guidance was organized jointly by Principals Association of Recognized Schools, PARS and Participatory Action for Social Development Organization, PASDO at Ukhrul Post of 41 Assam Rifles on September 10. 380 students and 50 teachers from several schools of Ukhrul participated in the program. Manipur Drivers Welfare Association in a press release said some VDF and police personnel are collecting huge sum of money from vehicles on National Highway 37, Imphal-Ziribam Road. Meanwhile, all Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motors Workers Union appealed to the authority concerned to repair the road near the Makru Bridge. Cloaking wind speeds of 300 km/h, Super Typhoon Meranti, now the Earth's strongest storm of the year, cut a path across southern Taiwan today before heading towards China. Meranti prompted Taiwan officials to evacuate nearly 1,800 tourists from offshore islands and close some schools and offices. The island's Emergency Operations Center said so far no storm-related casualties have been reported. Taiwan Power Co., the state-run utility, estimated more than 2 lakh homes lost power today. Toppled trees and storefront signs were strewn about a thoroughfare in Kenting National Park's Hengcheng Township, images on Taipei-based Sanli e-television show. According to the Taipei-based Apple Daily, wind speeds in Hengcheng measuring 52.2 meters per second, where the fastest since record-keeping began in 1896. The super typhoon comes just before a 4-day weekend in the Taiwan beginning Thursday, marking the Mid-Autumn Festival holiday. Central Emergency Operations Center said a total of 142 international flights were cancelled. The Taiwan Railways Administration suspended train service for routes in the south and east, while schools and offices in the areas were closed. The Joint Typhoon Warning Center said the storm produced gusts of 362 km/h this morning, along with waves around 14.5 meters. A typhoon becomes super typhoon when sustained wind speeds reach 241 km/h. Hiang Kumhai of Ibudhau, Sengmai Ningthau was celebrated today at Sengmai River in Kakching. Ahalup Panas Nandaibam Kingston of Sugnu Makhalaikai won the boat race, beating Naharup Panas Sanasam Giant of Wangu Laipal Chitek Laikai. Now to sports news. Neruka FC Sangakpam beat FC Zalin Sadar Hills 1-0 in the 16th league match of the 11th Manipur State League. In the match played today at Imphal Polo Ground, Neruka FC Sangakpam's NG Ronald scored the lone goal for the winners. Not satisfied with the decision of the Century referee, FC Zalin Sadar Hills objected the decision. Klasa Kainau and USA Kurai will meet at the 17th league match, while Trukpu Nambol and SSU Singjumai will meet in the 18th leg tomorrow. Before we wrap up the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. BJP Manipur Pradesh blows election 2017 bugle. Over 40,000 people gathered to listen to BJP leaders. BJP President Amit Shah reiterates centers stand to protect Manipur's territory. Gaikangam compares agreement between Centre and NSC and IM with time bomb. RIM celebrates 45th Foundation Day. Governor tells doctors that selfish motive should not mar the sanctity of the profession. And at least 2 students are injured as police try to disperse student protest rally demanding ILPS in Manipur on Tidim Road.